Hello everyone, today we are making super fun origami fidget toy that you can fold twice and play with endlessly. Let's get started. All you need is a square sheet of paper, any color you like. I'm using soiled colors here, but you can mix and match colors for more colorful toy. The tutorial is easy and self-explanatory, and you'll learn in just one go. And that's it. Your origami fidget toy is ready. Try different colors and designs and tell me in the comments what you want me to fold next. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is FoldStory, one fold at a time, one story at a time. Let's begin. Bye.